Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $271.82 a coin. The present exchange cost range $268.53 $272.48. The earlier day close $270.62. The change was plus 120 plus 44%. Reverse rate EUR to BCH. Bitcoin cash figure for May 2024. Initially cost at $289. Excessive cost $358, while low cost $289. The normal for the month $318. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $335, change for May 15 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2024. To start with, cost at $335. Exorbitant cost $335, while low cost $281. The normal for the month $313. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $302, change for June 9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for July 2024. To start with, cost at $302. Exorbitant cost $338, while low cost $294. The normal for the month $313. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $316, change for July 6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $316. Excessive cost $381, while low cost $316. The normal for the month $342. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $356, change for August 7%. Bitcoin cash figure for September 2024. Before all else, cost at $356. Excessive cost $396, while low cost $344. The normal for the month $367. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $370, change for September 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $370. Exorbitant cost $412, while low cost $358. The normal for the month $381. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $385, change for October 1%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for November 2024. Before all else, cost at $385. Excessive cost $478, while low cost $385. The normal for the month $424. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $447, change for November 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at $447. Exorbitant cost $483, while low cost $419. The normal for the month $450. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $451, change for December 9%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for January 2025. At the outset, cost at $451. Excessive cost $489, while low cost $425. The normal for the month $456. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $457, change for January 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place, cost at $457. Exorbitant cost $496, while low cost $432. The normal for the month $462. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $464, change for February 5%. Bitcoin cash estimate for WARC 2025. To start with, cost at $464. Exorbitant cost $498, while low cost $432. The normal for the month $465. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $465, change for Springs 2%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at $465. Excessive cost $577, while low cost $465. The normal for the month $512. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $539, change for April 9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for May 2025. To start with, cost at $539. Excessive cost $598, while low cost $520. The normal for the month $554. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $559, change for May 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost, cost at $559. Exorbitant cost $600, while low cost $522. The normal for the month $561. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $561. Change for June saw 4%. Bitcoin cash figure for July 2025. Before all else cost at $561. Excessive cost $576, while low cost $500. The normal for the month $544. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $538. Change for July 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at $538. Excessive cost $600, while low cost $522. The normal for the month $555. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $561. Change for August 3%. Bitcoin cash figure for September 2025. At the outset cost at $561. Excessive cost $561, while low cost $438. The normal for the month $508. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $471. Change for September 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at $471. Excessive cost $584, while low cost $471. The normal for the month $518. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $546. Change for October 9%. Bitcoin cash estimate for November 2025. To start with cost at $546. Exorbitant cost $546, while low cost $427. The normal for the month $495. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $459. Change for November 9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $459. Exorbitant cost $459, while low cost $359. The normal for the month $416. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $386. Change for December 9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for January 2026. To start with cost at $386. Exorbitant cost $386, while low cost $301. The normal for the month $349. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $324. Change for January 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at $324. Exorbitant cost $393, while low cost $324. The normal for the month $352. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $367. Change for February 3%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at $367. Excessive cost $456, while low cost $367. The normal for